Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Day, the mom, the boss. How are you all doing today? I hope you are doing good. So in today's video we are going to be decorating my space. Remember, this decoration is to showcase our style and connect with other people who have the same style as us. It's no news, by the way, that I love black, I love white, and I love gold. And you're going to be seeing a lot of that in this space decoration. If you are new to my channel, I hope you are here to stay, because on this channel we have so much fun. Here we are not perfect. I am not a professional. I just pick one and two things together to make something beautiful. If you are new to this channel, I really hope you are here to stay. Please join the family and enjoy every piece of art you see on this channel. We have fun, so much fun. Life is not serious. Do not take life so serious. Today I am collaborating with Gladys Dibere, living clutter-free, and Nita from Anuu Lifestyle channel. These ladies are amazing, and this is definitely an open collaboration because so many other beautiful creators are going to be joining us to create some beautiful spaces in our various unique styles. If you would like to see what we have done today, transforming our space, please stay tuned and keep on watching. Make sure you check out the two host channels right after watching this video and click on the playlist down below in my description box to check every other creator that has created something similar to your style, and make sure you follow them. You relate with them, you know, somehow. Just relate, just interact. All right, guys. So I'll see you in the video. Guys, I got this gold planner from Ross, I think. Very affordable. You know, Ross is an affordable store. And I got the greenery, I would say what, that banana or tropical feeling greenery. I got them from not at home. I got them from, oh god, Home Goods. Yeah. Believe me when I tell you, everything on this display cabinet is from Ross. I love Ross. It's very cheap. Don't judge me. Don't come for me. I love cheap and beautiful stuff. This one right here I got from At Home Stores. Oh my gosh, look. I don't think the camera is doing this picture justice. Like, Jesus, oh my gosh, I love it. I just love it. This teardrop I got from Ross as well. At this point, I want to use the opportunity to say, oh my good Lord, thank you guys so much for all the love you've been showing me, sticking to my channel, coming back for more videos. I really appreciate you all, and I pray to God that you just stick around. And if you are not subscribed yet, girl, what are you waiting for? Come on, hit that subscribe button, the notification bell, so that you would always be notified every single time I upload a video, and you would always come back for more, and you'll be the first to know, you know. Come on, hit that subscribe button. We have fun here. I'm going crazy. I got this accent tool from Ross as well. Again, I said don't judge me. I get everything from Ross. Everything you see there is from Ross. I guess I have to title this video a Ross a Ross decor video.
I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어. I'm going crazy. Yeah. I'm going crazy. 어쩔 수 없는 걸 널 보면.
So if you have watched up to this point, you've pretty much reached the end of the video. It was nothing crazy. I just wanted to showcase my space. If you love what I do, please stay tuned for more videos and let us connect. Drop down below in the comment section what your favorite item here is. And hey, do not forget to check out everyone on the playlist, because you're going to enjoy every single person and their style. And if you see anybody's style that you can relate to, don't let them be. Stalk their channels, okay? Stalk their channels. Watch every video on that channel and then go to the next person. Just watch the videos and enjoy yourself, because decor is love, decor is peace, and decor is very therapeutic. Okay, thank you so much for sticking around, and I will see you in our next video. I love you all. Peace.